What up, people? Welcome back to the channel. This is PCT and we are here to update you with another news. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. See, these things where they go around, and I make my mind say I no go talk. But I dey see some Nigerian people can they carry this Shatawale in truth he talk we like they talk plus all Ghanaians say naturally or what generally Ghanaians do they match up to Nigeria then things. My guy, make you no tell mumu for when waiting inside where Nigeria be past Ghana. So far, to be sincere, I no see any Nigerian artist we be versatile. We dey talk versatile artist. If you do all gen, I no see some before. But the ranking starts with dancehall. You know ended where you join Afrobeat. Eh? Burna Boy, Shatawale make it blow. Burna Boy hit for Africa. Now it be Hosanna. Shatawale feature am. If you don't know, make I dey tell you. Westgate. You know be Ghana, you know be R2Bs. Make you no tell mumu. See, the truth be hard to understand. That be what I dey see say people they see. See the Nigeria, they hate the truth. You dey carry say Shatawale on 2 or 3 occasions praise the Nigerian artist for going outside and trying bigger. You dey remember that time? You see any Nigerian artist they hail Shatawale for that? You see any Nigerian in general they hail Shatawale say, oh, he talk say Nigerian artists they go forward, they try. You hear that thing? But as you can't talk the hard truth, it pain your heart, it touch your heart. You won't talk nonsense. Me now make my mind say I no go talk this thing so. But the way I can dey watch some YouTubers, Nigerian YouTubers and things, they can dey talk say generally Ghanaians they envy them. We dey envy Nigeria for what waiting inside. Shatawale alone, Shatawale alone, a big part of the whole Nigeria. Why? Also, make we take things for on. Shatawale, you know be Jamaican. He headline album for Jamaican twice. Why your brain no correct? You see any Nigerian artist, he headline somebody in country album before. We know they want talk plenty because the shatter movement thing, no, be for small boys and small brain understanding. I dey quite remember last year or this year inside Shatawale 2 or 3 interviews for a big up Nigerian artist. Say they force, they try. I no see any Nigerian. He can't talk to Shatawale. He try, he force. Yeah, he promote them artists, he talk. As he can't talk the bad one, there. I dey see you sorry for this, but your modest can they talk about dying. Nya grow. Shatta, you see the Shatawale in brand Shatta movement. Him be the only, as I dey say I'm again, only movement we get fan base. Him be the only artist we get fan base, established fan base. But Damumu, you know who Star be? You know who Star be? Now, then what are the few PTB? Them low-minded Ghanaians. The low-minded Ghanaians indeed. They would go the flow shit. That be all he do, they pass my mind. At this Nigeria, they my bullshit they talk or it dey my head in back, my back case. I know they ask you. Hip hop, we they do pass you. Dancehall, we they do pass you. What reggae, we they do pass you. Now you Burna Boy get Grammy recent keke, you they shout. I dey feel pity give you people. Go check Rocky Dawuni. Full Ghanaian reggae. You get any reggae artist for Nigeria before? You get dancehall artists for Nigeria. No, no. Make you know make uh, this thing. You do them a bloody hot. You Nigeria. You there is nothing like okay. The only high life artists I know for Nigeria, Flavor. Yeah, Flavor. Where you see that sensible man, no Flavor. He can't talk sense because he gets sense. Flavor, he gets sense, so he can't talk sense. Even true, South Africa they sack Nigerians. Uh, Kenya they sack Nigerians. So what did where they here? See, come Ghana. Do, now you Dynamo Platinum alone, a big pass the whole Nigerian artist. Dynamo Platinum. As yeah, you they play Dynamo Platinum in song for your there. Nigeria, you play Dynamo Platinum in song for your there before. A big pass the whole Nigerian artist put together. Dynamo Platinum in YouTube alone. Big pass the whole Nigerian artist. What do they want to talk? You they play Dynamo Platinum song. So Shatawale they talk say you know they hear any Nigerian artist before you go blow or then you take am personal, it be your matter. The time you pray say Nigerian artists they do well, you know talk. But now you can't talk say you know they hear you people. Make it blow. It dey pain you. Shatawale Beyonce feature Wizkid. He feature Shatawale. Go check the streams. Go check the streams. The audio. Them all get for a year, 2 years now. Them all get 30 million viewers for YouTube for Beyonce YouTube channel top. Go check. Them all the audio then get 30 million viewers. Go check the video as the video come out. Go check. Shatawale get 53 million viewers. Wizkid get how many? And he get how many? 46 million. So why they can't they talk say Shatawale even your underground? Some hypocrite fuck up. Ghana better Nigeria no get any rapper. When a Ghanaian rapper go take compare Sarko there. Medical, Strongman, Amrado. Who? Who? For hip hop inside, Sarko they beat everybody. Dancehall inside, Shatawale and Stonebwoy they beat everybody. High life. Who you will take am? Shatawale alone, he dey do the Afrobeat, he dey do high life, he dey do reggae, he dey do dancehall. You get versatile artist. Fuck up. Bounce. You for bounce before I see it. See stadium. See one man, oh. One man. Make your banner or Wizkid go do for Nigeria in stadium. Nigeria if you get stadium. Bombo clad. This is the boss mind. It is the boss brain. Charlie, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Charlie, just shoot it gone.